Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar jumped to a 7-week high on Friday and was on track to post its best week since September 2022. After a surprisingly strong jobs report for September led traders to cut bets that the Federal Reserve will make further 50 basis point rate cuts. Some China-focused hedge funds are reporting explosive returns in September thanks to a sharp rebound in Chinese stocks driven by Beijing's aggressive stimulus package. The surge in stocks, which fueled a 25% record jump over 5 days last week in China's blue-chip CSI 300 index, catapulted Asian equity hedge funds to top performers globally for the year so far. Oil prices rose on Friday and settled with their biggest weekly gains in over a year on the mounting threat of a region-wide war in the Middle East, although gains were limited as US President Joe Biden discouraged Israel from targeting Iranian oil facilities.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 23:01 GMT. Japan's current account at 23:50 GMT, Japan's labour cash earnings at 23:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the Eurozone's retail sales at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.